Hi guys, in this video tutorial I am going to discuss some HTML tags. So here there is 5 HTML tags which I am going to discuss. First one is a heading tag. In HTML, heading are defined by h1 to h6 tag. So in HTML, for defining any heading uh, in your web page, you can use h1 to h6 heading tags. H1 tags has the largest font size and H6 has the smallest font size. So H1 tag has the largest font size and H6 has the smallest font size. Second tag is paragraph tag. P tag is used to write a paragraph in HTML. For showing any paragraph in your web browser, you can use P tag for writing those paragraphs. A paragraph always starts with a new line. A paragraph is a block level element, so that's why it always starts with a new line. Our third tag is strong tag. Strong tag is used to show the importance of a text in a paragraph. Suppose you have a paragraph of 10 lines, and from that 10 lines, suppose you thought that the 2 lines are very important, so you want to highlight those 2 lines uh, by a bold. You can make the bold these 2 line. So by using a strong tag you can do this thing. The content inside strong tag are display in bold. Okay, so the content which you put inside the strong tag are display in bold in the web browser. So our next tag is br tag. Br tag does not have a closing tag. So br is a self closing tag. We not need to define any closing tag for the br. So it is a self closing tag. Br tag is used for a break, for a line break in paragraph tag. So in your paragraph, suppose you want to write from the next line, at that time you can use br tag. hr tag. hr tag is also a self closing tag. hr tag is used to draw a horizontal line in your web page. So to draw a horizontal line in a web page, you can use hr tag. Okay, this is the theoretical part. Let's open our VS Code. First, I'm going to create one HTML file here. Basic text dot html. And to write a basic layout of HTML, like previously in this tutorial, I have written this thing: doc type, HTML body, HTML head, title, and body. We can use the Emmet. Emmet is the extension which you need to install in your VS Code. So it will make the coding very easy. So to use Emmet, we need to just press the shift and this exclamation mark and then enter. Okay, so here we can see all the basic layout is already appear here, and we just need to write our code in the body tag, and we can change this title. We can say basic tags. So our first tag is heading tag. So we can take from h1 to h6. Okay, this is h1 and h2, h3 tag, and h4 tag, h5 and h6. Okay, suppose we can write any content. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. Okay, so I have taken the h1 to h6 heading tag, and let's run this code. So for run our code, I'm using the live server. So live server is another extension which you need to install in your VS Code. Like for installing any extension, we need to click here, and here just search for the live server. Okay, so here, and you need to install. I'm already installed, so that's why it is showing the uninstall button. So the functionality of live server is that here we don't need to go to the folder and double click on the file. We just run our HTML code from the VS Code. For this, just we need to click right click and open with live server. Okay, here we go. And so as we already discussed, sorry, h1 is the biggest font, and the smallest font, s6 tag, have the smallest font. Okay, so this is the h1 to h6 tag, and our next tag is p tag. So take a p tag here, and for data, suppose I am taking this dummy data. Okay, and pasting here, Control S, and open our browser. So for showing any paragraph, we can use p tag. Okay, and p tag always starts with a new line. So once more, I just pasted the code and Control S, and so here you can see after this text, here is the lot of space are here, but our next p tag always start with the new line. So you thought like there is lots of characters or words are there, so that's why it is starting from the next line. So for testing, we can do one thing. Okay, suppose okay, and for this also I am just taking a very short text. So this is start p and this is end p. Okay, we can make even the shorter. Okay, only this text. So for this, if we open, so still there is a lot of space are available after the first line of text. but the next line always starts with the new line. Okay, next p tag always starts with the new line. So let's reverse Control Z. Okay. Okay, so our next tag is a strong tag. So suppose in this paragraph I thought that this line, the line from here from this line to industry is a very important text, so I want to highlight this. Okay, and in second I want to highlight the where is the p tag? And in sorry guys, I think p tag somehow it by mistake it just removed. So suppose in that from this line from this line to 90s 50s, or you can take a bigger text also from this line to booked. I thought these lines are very important, so I want to highlight these lines, so I'm using the strong tag. And let's open our browser. So in browser we can see the tags which I am putting inside the strong tag are highlighted. Okay, so this is the functionality of the strong tag, and strong tag is a inline tag. So later I will teach you what is the difference between block level and inline level element or inline level tags. And our next tag is br tag. Okay, so from this, suppose in browser we can see all that our text are shown in a 3 line. Okay, and suppose I want to I want that from here it has arrived, this will come this should come in the new line. So for this I can use the br tag. Okay, here br, and br is a self-closing tag. In second paragraph also. And now open the browser, and here we can see now the text are starting from the new line. Okay, so this is the functionality of the br tag. The full form of br is break row. And our next tag is hr tag. So hr is used for a horizontal line in the web browser. So here I am taking the hr tag and saving our code, and then let's open the browser. So here you can see the hr tag. By using hr tag we can draw a horizontal line in our web browser. Okay, so these are the few HTML tags which I discussed, and there is lots and lots of tags are there in HTML. So other tags we will discuss in our later videos. Thanks for watching this video.